Hi guys, welcome to ITRXpert again. Today, we will introduce you with ITRSXCEL, the ultimate Excel course, which is part of the upskilling initiative that Eve and I are working on. From Hero to Digital Hero is a suite of courses and books, where the learner's needs are at the center of all. You will enjoy learning with the amazing Eve.
Thanks, Jay. But now let's start exploring the Microsoft Excel interface, the ribbon menu, and the main functionalities. Like any other programs, on the top right, we find the maximize, minimize, and close icons. On the left, the save button, and on the middle, a search bar. On the top, inside the red box, we find the ribbon menu. The bar with the letter just above the spreadsheet show us the columns, while the bar with numbers on the left show us the rows. Working in Excel is like playing chess. Any cells in the spreadsheet has a reference, which is given by the letter of the column and the number of the row where the cell is. For example, A1. There is a reference box on the top left, which show us where the green input box is. When we click on a cell, the green box will appear and we can start typing inside the cell. Anything we type inside a cell will also appear in the formula bar, which is in the middle, next to the reference box. On the bottom left, we find the tabs of all pages. Clicking on the plus, we can create a new page tab, and from the bottom right slider, we can zoom the pages. Excel pages can be huge, so to navigate and scroll up and down the sheet, we can use the bar on the right or the mouse scroll, and the bar on the bottom to move right or left. Using the File ribbon menu, we can open a new sheet, save, print, export, and change some setting from the options on the bottom left. The Home ribbon menu in Excel is very similar with the other Office apps. We can format any text and cell, changing fonts, size, applying colors, borders, aligning text, and also change cell type. From the Insert ribbon, we can insert objects, like pictures, smart art, icons, graphs, text boxes, and videos, like in Word or PowerPoint. In the page layout, we select a printing area and mainly do page settings for printing. In the Formula ribbon menu, we can search and apply formulas, plus we can use auditing tools such as precedent, dependent, error checking, and evaluate formula to identify mistakes. From the Data ribbon, we can link and synchronize data with other apps, use data validation, create lists, and analyze data. From the Review ribbon, we can check spelling, use translation, and apply password protection to the sheet, so information cannot be modified. From the View ribbon, we can change view settings, freeze panes, and apply macros. Finally, from the Help menu, we can access a fully comprehensive Excel guide clicking on the question mark icon. Please keep playing and exploring Excel on your own time. Believe me, it won't break.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.